In this video, I'm going to show you how to add WhatsApp business number to Instagram account. So what you want to do is open up Instagram. Once you have opened up Instagram, go to your profile, and to even add a number, you must be a professional or creator type account. You can't be personal. So once you are here, scroll down and you see these contact options. You want to click on contact options and basically click on WhatsApp business account. Now you can type in your number and then send code, and from there you basically just follow on-screen instructions. It will ask you for your code, for the number you have put in, and once all of that is done, it will be synced with your business account WhatsApp on whatever phone you have it. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, subscribe and comment. This video helped me out. If you didn't, let me know what was the problem and I will do my best to figure it out for you. Thank you for watching this video. Bye.